guys. So the first day we started from Bangalore, took a flight to Chandigarh, landed in Chandigarh, and immediately went off to get our bikes from the rental place. The two bikes had to be picked up from two different places. Satvik's bike was an Xpulse, barely run any kilometers, great condition, looked very good. Soon after, we went to the second place from where we had to pick up the Himalayan, which I chose to ride on this trip. About 40 minutes into the ride, just a kilometer before we were reaching the hotel, the bike stopped. And whatever happens, it wouldn't start again. And we called RSA, roadside assistance from Royal Enfield, and they said they'd need a day to figure it out. So then, at about 10 in the night, some old contacts, we reached out to some people, and they arranged another Himalayan for us, which reached us at 12 in the night. So our initial plan was to leave from Chandigarh towards Manali yesterday at 5 in the morning, but thanks to all these happenings, we got the bike and we test rode it barely, like a kilometer or so, and were able to start out from Chandigarh yesterday only at 10:30. So, and I was a little skeptical about how the bike would eventually turn out to be, but I mean, we're here in Manali on two bikes, that says it all.
There was a bit of a rain when we started, so a bit cautious, and then we started from the Nalagarh route, because that's what Google was showing, and we'd done this once previously. We said, okay, let's take the next to the highway, and making our way towards Manali, and it was super hot. It was super hot. It was not very sunny, but it was hot for some reason, and a lot of traffic. So the first half was, I mean, we knew this is what Manali offers when you're getting up. A lot of traffic, windy roads, you have to keep your patience, not make any mistakes. So got through that. I think somewhere around Swarghat it started to get really foggy and a bit of a rain, and we were like, okay, wow, the weather is changing. I think somewhere around Kulu we were wondering, should we take the Nagar route to avoid the Patlikul, which is like this where the road gets really narrow and you have this long traffic jams, but everything's changed. I mean, the roads, the 4-lane, Patlikul, there was a bypass. We made it through. We didn't even realize that we've gotten so far. Amazing, beautiful 4-lane roads, and then finally we hit Manali and we had to get to the other side to Vashit to reach this place called Raiden. And in our heads it's running that, okay, I mean, you know, we have to go through Manali, the main road, which is full of traffic, and get through the bridge to the other side. We start going, and suddenly there's this bypass. There's this amazing bypass, no traffic. I think a minute or so we are already out of Manali, riding towards Vashit.
We're staying at Raiden, just ahead of Manali, and it's a place that I had stayed in about 5 years ago. It's a gorgeous place which is taken care of a lot of small things that we bikers need, and it's got a great cafe with some amazing food as well. We're here at the lawn of this place, and the place is really cozy and comfortable.
Overall, it's been a fantastic ride so far. I mean, not more than what we could ask for. The weather has been kind to us. The place has been beautiful. It started to rain now, so I mean, yeah, this is exactly what we asked for.